Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Looking at the worst situation of pandemic COVID-19 outbreak in the state of Assam, as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council closed all the entry roads to Karbi Anglong. Also, the Department of Environment and Forests is giving a watchful eyes on possible intruders by erecting barricades across the roads. All roads that connects with neighboring districts has been closed down by villagers. Strict warning were issued not to pass the barriers, and only government vehicles carrying necessary foods and medicine supplies will be allowed to enter the border. Now villages in different parts of the district have blocked their villages by locals by erecting barriers on road. Blockage of roads were also seen at various hamlets at Sildhar, Rampur under Mahamaya constituency. Villages under Nilip constituency, Mentaro village road under Diopani constituency was also reported to have been blocked by villagers. That was the blockage situations everywhere as a lockdown is going on across the world. You never know what. So moving on, as per the guidance from the government to deliver midday meal for school children at their home, as all schools shut down due to lockdown, schools under Dokmuka clusters have delivered rations to students at their home. This was informed by Dokmuka cluster around 12 o'clock in the afternoon here on Friday. Schools faculty and teachers were reported to have been joined in the delivering of rations to school students at their home. Alright, so that's all for the mainstream at 6. Now lots more coming up on the other side. Velirborn Kropi has a prime time in Karbi here on Karnishal, so don't go anywhere.